Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkish and I wish you a great day ahead and very good morning. So my balcony is looking amazing and there are these new flowers growing. These are like small little roses that I have plucked out for my work desk, and I'm so sure that I'll be working even better with this visual in front of me. So अभी शायद मैं बाज़ार जाऊँगी. अभी एक्चुअली बाज़ार नहीं जाऊँगी, पहले मिली को खिलाऊँगी because let me show you. I have started giving her this new food that's really nice for the dogs. This is Royal Canin Gold and it's really good and nutritious for dogs actually. मतलब मैं अभी सुबह या फिर रात को she gets one of her meal from this and the other meal is like purely homemade. So yeah, I'll show you which one I use. This is the one I use. It's really nice and it's pretty good actually. Yeah, you can already see there's already her chicken right there. मैं वो बॉईल करके रखूँगी उसके रात के खाने के लिए. But for now I'm going to feed her this. इसको ना मैं ऐसे just गर्म पानी में डुबा के रखी हूँ. Now I'm just going to smash it and feed it to her. Okay. So the wind is the you need to mash it up really nice so that she can easily have it. Yeah. So winter is almost here. Breeze is so cold. I'm talking about weather because I'm such a weather girl. Yeah, I'm very boring if you call me like that. But yeah, I love talking about weather, coffee, good books. So anyway, let me prepare my doggo's food. Because at this point of my time in my life, I must say I'm content. बीच में मैं काफ़ी negative हो गई थी. Like my entire thought process has become so negative. I can't even explain. मतलब हर चीज़ में मैं बुराइयाँ ही देख रही थी. But right now, I think when you have like right people around you, be it only one person, or two, or three, or four, they have to be really good for your soul. And if you feel like chucking those negative ones out, just do it. They don't even also care. Like, please, if whatever is good for your soul, keep them. I swear, the positivity that you will have in your life, it's amazing. I'm not into clubbing and stuff to be honest, but then recently I'm like craving for it. I need to go clubbing as I'm feeling. So it's winter time already. थोड़ा थोड़ा वो hint है, तो शायद मैं जा सकती हूँ. Oh God, spoke too soon. अब तो ये होगा भी नहीं. I'm that person really who is like overshares, and when things do not work, I regret oversharing. And I'm also that person who doesn't even share. Like I'm this or that. I'm nowhere in the middle. मैं ओवरशेयर करती हूँ तो कुछ भी नहीं बोलती हूँ. It's all inside me. Anyway, a lot of yapping. My dog is hungry. Let me go and feed her. And let me take you along with me because I am going to force feed her. Not really force feed. खा लेती है आराम से, but उसको खिलाना पड़ता है. But when it's her favorite food, जैसे कि chicken rice हो गया, chicken pumpkin हो गया, that she can eat on her own. But when it's this, you need to feed her. She will, eat it like a good girl. So let's go feed her. Let me take you along. Done? Hi guys. Ow! That's me. That's Bob who has appeared and giving me a direct sign that the period is right near close. और इसलिए मैं बाज़ार जाऊँगी. I'll get some groceries, some fish, eggs, the normal stuffs, whatever veggies has come to the market because अभी winter is almost here. Anyway, it's a very old dress to be honest, sent by a brand. It's very comfortable, but then I would rather wear to bazaar. So, see you soon. হ্যাঁ আর রসুন দেবে না So the things I got from bazaar is tomato, onion, aloo, or carrot, beans, capsicum, some वो क्या बोलते हैं बरबटी, and some pumpkin for Millie. I've also got chicken, eggs, fish. So here I'm preparing Millie's lunch with some pumpkin, some other vegetables along with chicken, and I make it for 2 days straight because sometimes I might run out of time and I might regret later for feeding her packed food. I don't like it. I know this is bothering you guys also, no? I don't know. Anyway, now it's time for me to prepare my lunch. So roasting some tomato and brinjal. Okay, so I'm going to make this mooli ka saag ka fry. Along with this, I'm also going to make this anda omelette curry. And there's some bharta that I'm going to make with tomato and brinjal. This is Millie's food, and I'm also going to cook some rice. So I'm quickly going to make some lunch and then get back to work. I'm getting late anyway, and my phone is about to die. Battery is about to die. Yeah, bye bye. Okay, so now I'm having these 2 laddus. Now I'm having these 2 laddus along with some coffee. Okay. So this is really nice. You guys can definitely give this one a try, and I promise इसमें कैरेट का टेस्ट तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा. Rather कैरेट केक वाला टेस्ट. So definitely give this one a try. It's amazing. Since my phone is on charge, I thought of getting some work done quickly. जितना मेरे से हो पाता है. I have some red lines, so for that. Okay, let's quickly wrap up making some lunch. And then I'll probably get in some workout because my entire body is aching. Yeah, मैं थोड़ा late हो गई हूँ. अभी 12:30 बज रहा है. And I haven't cooked anything yet. Now I'll start. This is like one of my oldest kadai from my mom. So I'm going to make all the curries here. पता नहीं इस कढ़ाई में ही टेस्ट ही ज़्यादा होता है. और मेरे इतने सुंदर सुंदर एस्थेटिक वाले पैंस में खाना उतना अच्छा बनता ही नहीं है. Very weird. Anyway, for this saag I got some लहसुन, some सूखी मिर्च, and उसके साथ ना साग के साथ छोटे छोटे ऐसे मूली भी आया था, तो I'm going to add that also. Yep. कितना था कितना हो गया and it's done. It hardly takes some time to prepare your lunch, you know. It's always so easy to just take your phone and order food. I do that, sometimes when I'm like too lazy. Otherwise, I would rather prefer homemade food. Like these recipes are so quick and easy to make without any hassle. So yeah. So I'm making this omelette curry, which is very easy to make. On a kadhai, just add some oil, mustard oil for sure, along with some whole garam masala, and just fry in some onions. और एक दूसरे पैन में I'm also getting that omelette ready, जिसको और इसमें ना मैं 4 अंडे दी हूँ, 4 या फिर 5. Like I said, I always meal prep, मतलब मेरा 2 दिन 3 दिन का खाना मैं एक बारी में ही बना लेती हूँ. So yeah, so on that other कढ़ाई जहाँ पे मैं प्याज दी थी, उसमें सब बेसिक स्पाइसेस में डाली, like salt, chili powder, हल्दी पाउडर and coriander powder, and just mix it well. उसको अच्छे से क्या बोलते हैं बंगाली में, कौशा करते হবে, like really well. So I'm doing that. Meanwhile, on the other side, the omelette is ready. I'm just going to flip it, and yeah, that's a success. So अभी मैं कढ़ाई में थोड़ा सा पानी दे रही हूँ, उसको अच्छे से होने दे रही हूँ, like कौशा करना. मैं पता नहीं उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलता है, but I'm trying my best. मोटा मोटी कौशा करते হবে, that's it. So now I'm just cutting this omelette in pieces. Like there are 6 pieces. I can have it like for 2 to 3 days straight. Now for the bharta, you just need to peel the tomato and brinjal really well, and add some onion, chili, some mustard oil, and salt to taste, and then mix it well, really well. And your bharta will be ready and so finger licking good. You can literally eat the whole rice just with that. But yeah, I take my protein seriously. So anyway, the curry is almost ready. I have added some water and got it to boil. एंड देन अभी मैं जो भी ऑमलेट का पीसेस था मैं उसमें डाल दी. नाउ जस्ट कवर एंड कुक फॉर 2-3 minutes. Now that the cooking is almost done, the asli work is washing all of these dishes. Shit, I think I've added too many eggs. तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही फूल गया. So the curry is ready. I'm quickly going to put it in the other vessel. And yeah, अब दो ऊपर से ना थोड़ा वो गरम मसाला का पाउडर वो छिड़कना है. And it's ready. Put it aside. The real work starts now, which is like cleaning my kitchen. I just simply cannot work in a dirty kitchen. I'd rather burn myself while cleaning the oven, while something is already on the stove cooking. I'm like that kind of person. Crazy, right? But yeah, that is it. Already done with cleaning and I'm really running late today, but it's all right. I can quickly sneak in some workout and the kitchen is looking really nice. अभी मैं काम नहीं करूँगी, अभी मैं workout कर लूँगी, फिर I'll resume my work. Yeah. So some of you guys already know that I am not hitting gym currently. I'm just simply working out at home, following some sessions that is readily available online on YouTube, and with some basic knowledge and ideas that I have gained over the years, over the last 10 years. So that way I'm a little experienced what to do, what not to do according to my body type and my needs. But currently, since I'm having this issue in my lump, and there's a serious autoimmune disorder that I have been currently facing for the last 1 year, so my way of working out is a little different. My focus is currently lymph drainage, more flexibility on the body, because since I have already stopped working out for a very long time, like with weights, with training मैं कब से बंद करती हूँ, so I'm like getting back at it. But my first priority is the lymph drainage, the flexibility, the mobility. I'm focusing on that first, and then comes the weight training. So I'm doing all of it, bits and pieces, focusing on it every day. So yeah, as you can see, I'm already struggling with my weights, although it's just 5 kg both the sides, like one hand 5 kg, other hand 5 kg, but still I'm struggling a lot because it's after a very long time. Plus I was really not allowed to do weight training, and that was like very bad for me because मैं बहुत सालों से weight training कर रही हूँ. Now if your doctor suddenly asks you not to do it, it's very weird, right? And your body is it takes time to adapt to it. So it happened with me as well. So I'm taking breaks after each set because I'm really unable to like complete the set properly, and you can already see me struggling so much, but I'm sure I'll get back to it soon. And I do have a certain goal, जैसे कि मेरा ये lump ठीक हो जाए. And I always feel great after a good session of workout, So I'm done with the workout, and now it's time for me to feed Millie. Millie already had a breakfast. Now I'm like giving her this chicken and vegetables for her lunch. And after that, I'm going to quickly broom the house. The workout is not over yet. So now I'm going to take my multivitamins and bioteins and all of that supplements that I usually take as recommended by doctor. So I'm going to take it, and yeah, I'm going to simply have it and chill for the moment. मुझे ना इतने सारी दवाई खाने में बहुत बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है, but क्या करें, it's just daily multivitamins. Anyway, that was enough work already for the morning. Now I'm all showered and ready for the day, and that's what I'm wearing, and that's my lunch. I think मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ले लिया, but yeah, दैट्स एनीवे माय फर्स्ट मील ऑफ द डे. मैं सुबह बस वो 2 नट का लड्डू खाई हूँ विद सम ब्लैक कॉफ़ी. And now I'm finally eating my early lunch, brunch, whatever you call it. So I'm having some dal rice from yesterday. I did not make rice today, with some bharta, omelette curry, some saag, achar. I mean, what's better than a freshly made, home cooked food? Nothing. So after a good lunch, I'm all ready for some work yet again. ऐसे तो मन हो रहा है कि सो जाओ, but then there is a great meal to fuel me up for the day. And I can't really reveal much about what I'm working on, but someday soon, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So while I'm working, Millie is out there getting some sun. She's happy, I'm happy. अब देखते देखते काम करते करते कब शाम हो गया मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आया. एंड आई हैड टू टेक मिली अपस्टेयर्स लाइक आई यूजुअली डू. समर में नहीं, बट विंटर में मैं करती हूँ. अभी तो उसके साथ मेरा 1 साल होने जा रहा है, सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. बट ड्यूरिंग द समर्स आई ट्राई टू गेट हर टू द terrace during the evening time and not in the morning, because around that time it's so harsh. So but winter is the perfect time for whenever she wants to come to the terrace, no? So I'm enjoying some tea. She's just playing with the birds, crows, whatever. And yeah, अभी मैं जो कपड़ा सुखाई थी जो मैं ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गई, I'm going to take those out. So the perk of waking up really early in the morning is this: you get to do so much that you can't even imagine. Like मेरे को तो विश्वास भी नहीं होता है मैं पूरा दिन में इतना काम करती हूँ. And yeah, for sure this happens only because I'm working from home. And even जब मैं ऑफिस में भी काम कर रही थी ना, मैं कभी भी घर जब आती थी मेरा घर कभी बिखरा हुआ नहीं रहता था, because I always used to wake up early. I used to take care of my house before I step out, and I really like to come back to my house that is clean and welcoming, not a nasty and dirty messy house. I don't like it. So perks of waking up really early in the morning is this. सो आफ्टर हैविंग माई टी, मिली के साथ खेलने के बाद अब मैं और ये खेलने निकल गए टू दिस गेम जोन. बट आज इतना थोड़ा बहुत क्राउड था तो हम लोग नहीं खेले, बस ऐसे ही देख के चौंक गए थे, बिकॉज वी केम हियर आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ चेंज्ड. आवर फेवरेट गेम स्टेशन हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड, वेयर वी यूज्ड टू थ्रो बॉल टू द ghost like toys, and used to fall and we used to get the score. बट एनीवे सब चेंज हो गया, जो भी हम लोग का फेवरेट्स था सब चेंज हो गया, एंड वी वर रियली सैड. सो वी केम बैक होम. And this retriever puppy is my partner's family dog. She's Ollie. She's amazing. She's angelic, friendly, everything a person can ever dream of in a dog. But look at Millie. Look at her, how jealous, and she's getting so irritated with Ollie being around her. Millie is not that friendly with dogs generally. I don't know why. Even with human, she just simply loves me and doesn't love sharing me with anybody, be it dog or human. But I hope someday she gets to be friends with some dogs at least. So anyway, I'm having some soup for dinner because I was not that hungry, but I was craving for something. So I'm having this soup while I'm watching Ask Laughter and Animals on YouTube, one of my comfortable show. So after this dinner I went to sleep, and this is like the very next morning. And look at this duck. She hits me, but I love them a lot. जब भी मैं उसके पास जाती हूँ या फिर कोई भी जाता है ऐसे ना आ जाती है, पता नहीं क्यों. Very angry duck. Anyway, this is usually how my morning starts, with a walk or a workout at home. And the very next morning looked so pretty, and it was so inviting for me to step out of the house and go out for a walk. I really love morning walks, to be honest, and they are so cozy in their own space. They're simply sleeping. मैं ना ऐसे दूर से जूम करके पिक्चर उठा रही थी, क्योंकि मुझे डिस्टर्ब बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना था. They are looking pretty while they're sleeping, like a sleeping beauty. Okay, so now I'm just simply running, walking, doing some stretches, basic stuffs, and that really comforts me. My mind, my soul is so relaxed. I feel so good after a good walk, and then I'm supercharged for the day. So you guys definitely should give this walk, morning walk, evening walk a try, and let me know how you feel about it. And if you're somebody who have watched this video till this far, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Hope you have enjoyed and loved the vlog as much as I loved recording. Thank you for sticking around and to be the part of my little life. Why not like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button, and also give me a follow on Instagram for some support. Lots of love, and see you all soon in the next vlog. Toodles!